Hi, this is Pam from the Birch Cottage blog. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how to make a Christmas ornament using your Cricut cutting machine and some acrylic blanks. You'll also need some adhesive vinyl in black and in white, transfer tape, and of course your 3-inch acrylic Christmas ornament blanks. You'll also need a light grip cutting mat, your Cricut cutting machine, a weeding tool, and a brayer. The first thing you'll want to do is to open up Cricut Design Space and then click on the link to the shared project file. This will open up the description and the details of the project file in Cricut Design Space. You can scroll down and view the instructions. You can even print the instructions out so that you have them handy and convenient to you while you work through this project. You'll also see a list of all the images and the font used in this project. Click on Customize and the design will open on Design Space. Here you can hide any layers that you don't want to use, copy or duplicate any layers, and edit the text. To edit the text, you can click on a name or click on that name layer under the Layers panel and then double click to edit it, and then simply type in your new text. You can also change the font, you can realign, and you can resize your images. Once you have everything the way that you want it, you're ready to cut your project. Now, I cut my project out using black vinyl and white vinyl. I use black for the reindeer and the pine trees on the ornament, and I use white for the names. You can use any color combination that you want. And again, you can duplicate the images, you can hide any layers you don't want to use, you can even resize them if you're using a smaller or a larger ornament. You can add your new text, you can change the fonts. And you'll also notice that I have some circles in there. Those circles were used as guides for laying out the text and the image, so I can make sure that everything was within the 3-inch size of my ornament. And then once you have everything ready to go, you can just click on Make It. And be sure to load the black vinyl onto your mat. I use a light grip mat. You can also use a standard grip mat. And then from this preview, you can drag your images around so that they have a little more spacing on them, or however you like to cut your designs out. And then when you're ready, be sure to click on Mirror if you're going to apply the vinyl to the back of your ornament, which is what I did. So if you're going to apply it to the front of the ornament, leave it exactly the way it is. But if you're going to apply your design or any part of the design to the back of the ornament, then be sure to mirror it. With your light grip or standard grip mat, you will add the black vinyl onto the mat first, load it into your machine, and cut out the Santa and the pine tree design. Then you will unload that mat from your machine, remove the vinyl from the mat, and load the white vinyl onto your mat and cut out the names. Once you have that done, you will weed your vinyl and then use your transfer tape to apply the design to the back of your Christmas ornament. I applied the Santa sleigh and the pine tree design onto the ornament first, and then use the transfer tape to apply the names centered in the middle of the design. And then use my brayer to make sure the vinyl is adhered to the acrylic ornament. I also forgot to mention that I cleaned each of the ornaments with alcohol and a paper towel just to wipe it off to remove any residue, fingerprints, dust, so that my vinyl would be sure to adhere to just the ornament. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Please like this video if it was helpful to you, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.